Are you pushing your workouts hard, increasing your intensity, but still not seeing the weight loss that you want? Do you feel like you're doing everything right with exercise and diet, but you're just still not seeing those results that you want? Let me show you today how to exercise smarter, not harder, to get those results you want. Let me ask you this. Are you in perimenopause or menopause? Have you been eating healthy, exercising, and doing everything right, but those numbers on the scale just seem to keep creeping up and they don't budge going down the other way? And your favorite jeans are just still super tight around your waist. It's so frustrating, right? I get it. I've been there. You're not alone. And there's a reason for it. In this week's video, I'm going to walk you through 3 different case studies of 3 different clients of mine, and they each have had their own struggles around their weight. And I'm going to share with you what we did to change up their exercise a bit so they were able to then see weight loss. And I'm sharing this with you because hopefully this will help you as you are looking at your routines and around exercise or not exercising, or how this will look like in your life to then be able to make some tweaks to see the weight loss that you want. I just got in from my morning run. I jogged for about 30 minutes and then I came in downstairs. It started to rain, so I worked out downstairs for another 15 minutes lifting weights. And I love doing this to start my day off. I love getting some kind of movement or exercise in my mornings because I just feel so much more energized. And the ladies that I'm working with, my clients in our group, we're doing a 75-mile walking challenge for September. And the key is here, those miles have to be done outdoors in nature. So my clients are kicking it. They are getting those miles, they're racking up. And so I have to keep up with them, getting my miles in too. And I love being outside, so it makes it even more fun. So if we have not met yet, I wanted to introduce myself. My name is Nicole Dalton. I've been a family medicine physician assistant for over 20 years, now menopause weight loss coach. I specialize in helping women 35 and older lose weight and create the healthy lifestyle that it takes to maintain the weight. As a wife and mother of 3 sons, I totally understand how busy life can get. Plus, I struggled myself with gaining about 25 pounds during perimenopause, and I didn't even realize I was in perimenopause. So I'm here to help you, and I'm super passionate about helping you lose the weight and taking back control of your body to shed those extra pounds and regaining that energy, okay? So imagine living the second half of your life feeling fit, feeling confident, and ready for new adventures, whether it's traveling with ease, keeping up with the grandkids, or simply loving the way that you look and feel. If you're simply tired of diets that just don't work, and you want to lose weight by eating real, whole food while building healthy lifestyle habits that last, I'm your gal. Join my free Facebook community, Weight Loss for Midlife Women. We would love to support you there on all our journey together. But I have 2 free giveaways I'm excited to announce today. The first free giveaway is 5 of my favorite belly fat blasting recipes. Make sure to snag a free copy of those. I love them. I eat them routinely in my monthly lineup of foods, and all my clients and women that I've shared these recipes love them. So go check those out. Plus, the second free announcement I want to share with you is mark your calendars for October 11th at 12 p.m. Central Time. I am hosting a free masterclass, and this is going to be awesome. I'm so excited about it. I'm actually capping this class off at 50. So make sure, if you want in, make sure you sign up now and get registered because there will be a cap on this class. But this masterclass is all about weight loss and menopause. It is called Menopause Weight Loss 101, and I'm going to share 5 steps to achieve lasting weight loss results. And we're going to be doing this by sharing how hormones actually influence our weight loss and the key to achieving lasting results without extreme workouts or deprivation or willpower, okay? So if this sounds like something you could find that would be helpful in your weight loss journey, sign up now, press pause, go into the show notes here on this video, and you'll find the link for the masterclass sign up and the free recipes. Yay, I'm so excited. Please come join me. Lastly, if you're wondering what it looks like working together to lose weight for the last time, to get to those weight loss goals, please join me on your free weight loss consult call. I am sharing that link in the show notes as well. Okay, let's dig in here. So today I'm going to share 3 client case studies about where they got stuck at in their weight loss journey with their exercise, okay? And I picked these 3 stories because I hear very similar stories from hundreds of you ladies that I've been talking with now. And I hear very similar stories that I'm hoping that if you can resonate with one of these stories, that will help you change some of your habits that you're doing around exercise, okay? So my first client, Vicky, she's a 49-year-old in menopause, and she came to me and she lost weight working together with me by not exercising. So this first example is actually of not exercising. I do not ever use weight loss as a tool for exercise. And I say that, but then in the next breath, I'm going to tell you everyone should be exercising, lifting weights, right? I think that's so important, more so for longevity and being around till you're 100, being able to carry your own groceries in, and get up and down off the floor, right? So weightlifting, exercising is so important. Everyone should be doing that every single day. We move, or we don't get enough movement in our days. The older we get, the more we're sitting at computers. So the more we move, there's so many benefits to exercise, right? And I've had other videos on that, so check those out. I'll link those in the show notes too. But going back to Vicky, so I want to share her story because this is an example of you don't need to exercise in order to lose weight, okay? I've had so many women that either were laid up with surgery or illness or just physical restrictions, cannot lose weight, and I walk them through how they can still lose weight, and they do. So Vicky's story, so she came to me with 49 years of not being able to exercise. She was diagnosed with juvenile rheumatoid arthritis when she was young, and that caused her to be living in pain for these 49 years. She just walking hurt. She couldn't participate in sports. She couldn't exercise because her knees hurt, her hips hurt, her hands hurt, her whole body hurt. So she could never exercise, okay? Now, fast forward to Vicky and I working together for a few months. She lost 30 pounds, but even more exciting is after losing the weight, after eating real food that has been made to fuel our bodies, she got rid of the weight, but got rid of all this extra inflammation in her body that was contributing to all the extra joint pains, keeping her from exercise. And guess what? After 30 pounds lost, changing up her diet, she is now jogging and walking, and she has completed a 5K, running it, jogging it. And you know what's even more exciting is she has this goal of running a 5K in every single state by the time she's 55, because she's mixing in her love of travel with now her newfound love of movement and exercise and running. So I am just so super excited about Vicky and sharing her story that she didn't need the exercise to lose the weight, but gosh, holy cow, has it changed her life. And that could be you, okay? Second client, second case study that I want to walk you through. I'm going to call her Sue. Sue is in her 60s and she's postmenopausal, and she is a big time CrossFitter and has been a CrossFitter for years and eats super healthy. And she came to me and said, Nicole, she's like, you're my last resort. She said, I have been working out with CrossFit, eating healthy, but gosh, I am so tired that just getting up out of bed and making my bed is just wiping me out. I've been to the doctor. I thought something was wrong with me, is what she told me. And she had labs and a workup and everything was normal, okay? And so she came to me wondering not only if I can help her with her weight loss that she was wanting, but she wanted her life back. She wanted her energy back, okay? So guess what? She lost, after our time working together, she lost the weight that she wanted to, but more importantly, she wasn't eating enough, okay? So this is a common story that I hear and I see from so many women, is that we're just simply not eating enough to fuel the exercise that we're doing in this phase in life. So as a postmenopausal female, she was eating like she was, in her 30s, and she just simply wasn't eating enough, and that wasn't allowing her body to lose the weight. Plus, she then wasn't seeing the energy she wanted just with normal daily chores, okay? So when I worked with her, we increased her foods, and she even told me, I haven't eaten this much food in decades. And you know what? Now she is not only at her goal weight, stronger in her CrossFit workouts, but she is happier, has way more energy, and her husband has noticed the benefits of her being happier and less irritable at home too. So that's another thing to keep in mind, is make sure you're eating enough. I know it sounds backwards, right? We are always used to be told to eat less and move more, but that's not true. We have to eat enough food to fuel our body with the type of movement and exercise we're getting in every day, but it has to be with real food grown from the ground, that has been made for our human bodies, okay? Last client story I wanna share with you, okay? So her name is Kelly. She is perimenopausal. She's in her 40s, and she came to me. She was doing intense workouts, HIIT workouts, running, really pushing herself almost every single day, at least 5 to 7 days of the week, in her exercise. And she was eating super healthy, okay? So really with her, again, after a few months of working together, she was able to lose weight and hit her weight loss goal by exercising smarter and not harder. So she's the perfect example of, during these perimenopausal years, I actually work with her to restructure her workouts, because during this phase of life, if we work out too intense and too hard, guess what? That stresses our body out too much, and our cortisol rises, and it makes it even harder to lose weight, and we tend to gain weight. So being smarter about how to structure those workouts, for example, like the week before our periods, when our progesterone levels are spiking, our bodies want us to slow down and not push our workouts, or our runs as intensely. Our body is needing to do more slower, gentler movement during this week in our periods, during this week in our cycles. So we do need to adjust and accommodate our workouts according to our menstrual cycle to make sure we're not stressing our body out more. And simply by doing that and really getting strategic with when to schedule in her HIIT workouts, because she still really enjoys the HIIT workouts, but she has now learned that walking is great exercise too, and so is slow jogging and not going out for a quick run all the time, right? By reducing and slowing down that heart rate a little bit with our jogs, also is gentler on our bodies. So for Kelly, we looked at, we did some tweaks in her nutrition, but we did tweak her workout schedule. So then she wasn't stressing her body. That was causing her to not being able to lose the weight. So restructuring that exercise and workouts with Kelly really made a huge difference. So I'm curious, I would love to hear which of these 3 different women, Vicky, Sue, or Kelly, that you can resonate with, okay? I'm here to help you, and I would love to chat more about which one you resonated and what changes you think that you need to make in your own exercise routine, okay? But understanding these patterns is the first step for you to take action to make changes. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, subscribe, leave me a comment, share with other women you know that can find this video helpful. And now, if you're ready for personalized support, one-on-one coaching, please click the link below to schedule your free consult call. I would love to hear your struggles and where you're getting stuck at in your weight loss journey and how I can support you. And don't forget, sign up for that free masterclass today. There's limited availability. There's only 50 spots. So get your free spot now, and good luck in your weight loss journey. You can do this.